Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the footbeds and opening straps so cleaning access is full. This prevents water traps and lets materials dry evenly. Once removed, use a soft brush to dislodge loose dirt, working along seams so you don't grind grit into the cork. Next, dampen a cloth and apply a small amount of Birkenstock Care Cleaner to a discrete spot. This tests color fastness and avoids surprises. Make sure to move quickly and blot rather than rub to protect the finish. You now perform the deeper cleaning. Apply the Care Kit solution to straps and scrub in gentle circular motions so dirt lifts without abrading. For the molded footbed, work with a damp sponge and mild cleaner, paying attention to textured grooves where grime hides. This preserves the suede or EVA layer. Once done, go over cork edges with the kit's cork sealer if recommended. This restores moisture balance. Make sure to rinse your cloth frequently to prevent redistributing soil. You finish by drying the clogs in a shaded, ventilated area at room temperature so materials contract slowly and adhesives remain stable. Once dry, apply the kit's cork sealer and a small amount of leather conditioner to straps. Buff gently to restore sheen and flexibility. If you notice glue separation or lifted cork, don't panic. Clamp the area lightly, keep it still, and allow 24 to 48 hours to cure. If staining persists, repeat a gentle spot clean and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.